Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce return rates with LL Bean step by step clearly. To reduce return rates with LL Bean, begin by analyzing customer feedback. Gather reviews and return reasons to identify common issues. Assess the quality of products being returned. Determine if there are recurring problems with specific items. Next, enhance product descriptions on your website. Ensure details include size, fit, and materials. Include measurements and care instructions. Consider adding customer photos and reviews to give potential buyers a clearer idea of what to expect. Now, provide a size guide to help customers make informed choices. Encourage shoppers to measure themselves before making a decision. Implement a virtual try-on feature if feasible. This can help visualize how items will fit. Next, improve your customer service experience. Train your support team to assist with fitting and product-related inquiries. Offer easy-to-understand guides on selecting the right products. Consider a chatbot for instant support on common questions. Additionally, streamline the return process. Simplify return instructions on your website. Make it easy for customers to initiate returns and exchanges. Clearly communicate timelines for refunds to set customer expectations. Enhance the packaging of your products. Use protective materials to reduce damage during shipping. Now, follow up with customers after their purchase. Send personalized emails asking for feedback. This can provide insight into product satisfaction and additional concerns. Finally, actively monitor return rates. Regularly review data to understand trends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.